What's up, family? How y'all doing this AM? For those who like to look at the sun and want to see if there's things behind the sun, or just want to look at the sky for celestial beings or anything like that, um, you can grab some replacement welding lens glass, and there's different. You know what I'm saying? There's different what like lens numbers or whatever. But anyways, let me see if y'all can even see this for a second. See what I mean? So for example, you can see, you know what I'm saying? Hard to see, but with the eyes, it's better. You be able to see things behind it, you feel me? Cause man, I swear there's stuff going on in our skies, bro. And they don't want us to know. Like, we think these things are clouds, bro. These ain't no fucking clouds, bro. These things are different. Like, this is in a certain part of the atmosphere. Oh wait. Haha, it's my little buddy. Yeah, these are got a hummingbird feeder. These are you know what I'm saying, like atmospheric type of things, man. Like pressures in different atmospheres will push out the clouds, aka whatever those things are. And then also they chemtrailed the sky too earlier. So, but yeah, I was just letting y'all know to grab that glass, man, if y'all want to check out things behind the sun. Real talk. It's definitely like some weird stuff going on. It's hard to explain right now. But shout out to Rap the News, and one love to y'all kings and queens.